Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your iPhone 11 look like iPhone 12. I bought this cover from Amazon at just rupees 399. And also the build quality of this cover is very good. You can get many more colors of this cover from Amazon. See, the major difference between iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 is that iPhone 12 doesn't have curved edges like they are on iPhone 11. This cover will make your iPhone 11 look like iPhone 12. This cover hides your curved edges of iPhone 11